So we all know the cool thing about Docker or containerization is that you can take software or application, wrap it in a container, and it runs on any base metal hardware regardless of the CPU architecture. What people don't think of is the Docker daemon. So the Docker daemon is a background service that works every time you boot up the Docker engine. And it's kind of like the brain of the whole Docker system. It's actually what does the things when you run the Docker commands. So it runs continuously and it listens for API requests, usually from the Docker CLI. So things like Docker run, build, etc. It's actually what's carrying out those commands on your architecture. Now, I think if you can understand a high level overview of how a tool actually works when you're using it, it's really going to help you stand out as an engineer. Everybody knows that there's not many junior roles going around at the moment, so I think you have to start thinking like a senior. And what does a senior do? A senior understands how the tools are actually working. If you want to get this diagram and many more like it, where I completely break down how Docker works and how to get started with it, what I'm calling the ultimate Docker project, it's got everything from compose to networking, you can check it out in my weekly newsletter, Cybernotes. It drops every Sunday, and I've dropped this into 4 parts because it's a really, really chunky one.